Children, welcome to Snehit Siddhganga City Central English Medium High School. Let's continue with our second chapter of English, that is The Boy Who Sold Wisdom.
Fine children, can you see on the screen? There is Babu standing in front of Nagendra's shop. Nagendra is ready to sell the wisdom and Babu is ready to buy. Babu is saying that give that wisdom in kg. But Nagendra is saying I won't sell it by weight. I sell it by quality. Now let's move to the third paragraph. First I'll read the paragraph and then we'll explain you. Babu put down a nickel and asked Nagendra to give him a nickel's worth of wisdom. The boy took out a piece of paper and wrote on it. So, what happened here? The boy Nagendra took a piece of paper and wrote on it. What he wrote on the paper? Let's see. And he took money for that wisdom from Babu. Let's see what he wrote on the piece of paper. It is not wise to stand and watch two people fighting, and he asked Babu to keep it tied in his turban cloth. So, Nagendra, what he wrote on the paper? He wrote that it is not wise to stand and watch two people fighting. Means, it is not good thing to stand. We should not stand in front of the people who are fighting. So it is not good thing that we should not stand and we should not watch their fighting. That sentence he wrote on the piece of paper. Who wrote on the piece of paper? Nagendra wrote this wisdom on the piece of paper and told Babu to tie it in the turban cloth. Turban cloth means one kind of cloth that has to be tied on the head, that is called as turban cloth. Now let's move to the fourth paragraph. Babu went home and showed his father what he had bought. He said, I bought some wisdom for a nickel and I have it here, tied up inside this turban cloth. So what happened here? Can you see in the screen that Babu went home and he is saying to his father that today I have bought a wisdom. So I have bought a wisdom from Nagendra and this wisdom is tied in this turban cloth. Now what father is doing? Let's read. The father untied the knot, looked at the scrap of paper and read what was written on it. It is not wise to stand and watch two people fighting. Untied means open the knot. Knot means गांठ. जो गांठ क्लॉथ का जो गांठ बाबू ने डाला था. So untied. Who untied? Father untied. Babu's father untied the knot. बाबू के फादर ने वो नॉट गांठ निकाल के वो पेपर लिया and he started reading what is written on that paper. So what was written on that paper? It is not wise to stand and watch two people fighting. Can you see in the screen? The father is reading. So the same thing he is reading. What is written? He is reading that we should not stand in front of the people who were fighting. Now let's see what Babu's father said. He was furious. Fifth paragraph. He was furious. Furious means he was very angry by seeing this. There was a paper written, few things on the paper And by seeing this, for this Babu has given the amount, nickel means amount, to Nagendra. This situation made him furious, means angry. Who was angry? Babu's father was angry. He screamed at his son, "You fool, paying a nickel for this nonsense? Everyone knows you should not stand and watch two people fighting." So what father is saying that? You fool. Fool. Who is the fool here? Son. He is saying to his son, fool, you have given amount to this nonsense words. What wisdom Nagendra has written on that paper. For that Babu has given the amount. So father is unsatisfied with the thing what Babu has done. And he is scolding to his son that for this, the words, the father is saying the words are very nonsense. And everyone knows that we should not watch people fighting. For this foolishness, for this nonsense things, you have given the amount. The father is scolding to his son. Then he went to the marketplace and stormed into Nagendra's shop and scolded him soundly. So what happened now? Babu and his father went to Nagendra's shop with that furious mood, with that angry mood. Babu's father went to Nagendra's shop and started scolding to Nagendra. What scolding means? He started, वो चिल्लाने लगा. Babu's father started scolding to Nagendra. What scolding he is saying? Let's see. You scoundrel, you have cheated my son. He is a fool and you are a cheat. Return the nickel or else I will call the police. You scoundrel. Scoundrel is a bad words in English. So Babu's father is scolding to Nagendra as a scoundrel. Bad words he is saying to Nagendra, and he is saying that my son is a foolish and you are a cheat. Cheat means धोखेबाज. तुम धोखेबाज हो. For this piece of paper and nonsense word, you have took amount from my son. So Babu's father is saying to return the amount. Otherwise, I will call the police. Now let's see what Nagendra says. Nagendra said, if you don't want my goods, you can return it. Give me back my wisdom and you can have your money back. So what here Nagendra is saying? Nagendra is saying that if you don't want my good words, good words what I have written in the paper, then give back to me and take your money back. So now, after listening this word, Babu's father agree with the Nagendra and he is ready to give that piece of paper. The words what he has written, he is ready to give back. Gupta. Gupta means, who is Gupta here? Gupta is nobody but the rich merchant. Father of Babu is Gupta. Gupta, the merchant, threw the scrap of paper at the boy and said, "Thus now give me back my money." So what happened here? Can you see in the screen? Babu's father has thrown the piece of paper to Nagendra's face and he is saying that, "Give me back my money." Let's see that what Nagendra is saying. No, you have not given me back my wisdom. You have only returned the paper. So what Nagendra is saying that? Nagendra is saying, you have only returned the paper, but you have not returned my wisdom. Please return my wisdom. So what is the wisdom? What is the meaning of Nagendra's wisdom? Can you guess, children? Let's see next. No, you have not given me back my wisdom. You have only returned the paper, if you want your money back, you will have to sign a document saying that your son will never use my advice and that he will always stand and watch people fighting. See how smart Nagendra is, children. Nagendra is saying to Babu's father Gupta that you have only returned my paper, but the wisdom you have to return. How the wisdom will be returned? The wisdom will be returned that by signing the document, one legal paper. Document means a legally paper should be signed, and in that it should be written that your son Babu should always stand and watch people fighting. So children, do you excuse me, do you think that it is possible to watch Babu, the people who were fighting on the street? No, it is not possible. So it is one kind of foolish thing what Gupta is doing to Nagendra. Then later on, let's see, Gupta agrees with the word of Nagendra. 6th paragraph. The passers-by supported Nagendra, so Gupta readily signed the document and took his money. He was happy that he had been easy to undo his son's foolish bargain. Now what happened? Can you see in the screen, children? Gupta took the document, legal paper, and he gets signed with Nagendra that his son Babu will not use the wisdom of Nagendra. And what was the documentation? It was written that Babu will always watch the people fighting. And by this documentary, after this, Nagendra gave the money to Gupta. And Gupta was very happy with this thing, that what foolish thing my son has did, I have already made it corrected, and he happily moved home. So children, let's stop the today's class here. Bye bye.